Truck 3 is approaching Bay 2.
Acknowledged. We are ready for the rice shipment.
The airflow creates a dynamic motion, lifting the husks away while the clean grains fall downward.
These advanced sorting machines use high-intensity lasers and sensors to identify imperfections, removing
The current absorption rate is stable.
Confirmed. The agitation cycle is perfectly synchronized.
Look at the texture on this.
Absolutely perfect. The aeration is spot on.
Sensors ensure equal filling across trays, and minor adjustments are made automatically.
Precision engineering allows the robotic arms to carefully extract the idlis, leaving the soft, porous surface completely undamaged.
Idlis are automatically grouped into precise portions. These mechanical arms ensure perfect arrangement every time.
Plastic packaging is sealed airtight, preserving freshness. Heat sealing machines operate rapidly. This state-of-the-art facility sorts products for distribution based on real-time orders.
Okay, stack those heavies on the bottom row.
Got it. Making room for the next pallet now.
Ni